Imagine an asset that's up 40% in just 9 months. While stocks go up and down, money loses value and world debt hits $324 trillion. This is not a movie. This is real. And it's gold in 2025. I was there when BIBD Bank explained it all. Today, I'll share what they said in simple words so you can understand why gold matters. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I recently attended a special talk by BIBD Bank in Brunei on July 25, 2025 for their VIP clients. The topic: Navigating Tension, Tariffs and Gold. 2 experts spoke and gold was the star. A quick reminder, this video is for information only. I am not promoting BIBD Bank. I was just a guest. If you want to buy gold, please do your own research or talk to a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's begin. How much gold is in the world? All the gold ever mined in human history, from ancient Egypt to today, can fit inside just 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's it, about 210,000 tons total. And every year, we only find about 3,000 tons more. That's less than 2% growth. Why does this matter? Gold is rare, hard to make more, cannot be printed like paper money, cannot be hacked like digital money. That's why people trust it for thousands of years. Why gold is unique? Investment plus consumer goods. Gold is special because it's 2 things at once. Investment. People buy gold to protect their money, grow wealth, or prepare for hard times. Consumer good. People also wear it, jewelry, wedding gifts, cultural treasures, especially in Asia, India, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand. This is rare. Think about it. You don't wear stocks. You don't gift Bitcoin for weddings. But gold, you can wear it, gift it, sell it, or keep it safe. In bad times, in good times, people buy gold jewelry. In bad times, people buy gold bars or coins to protect savings. Gold works in all seasons. That's why demand stays strong, no matter what. Gold as a risk management tool. Think of gold like an umbrella for your money. When it rains, meaning stock markets crash, currency lose value like ringgit, rupiah, peso, war or political problems happen, inflation eats your savings. Gold often goes up. At the BIBD talk, the speaker said, gold doesn't promise big fast profits, but it promises peace of mind. Example, in the first half of 2025, global markets were shaky, but gold rose 20%. By September, it jumped 40% to $3,600 per ounce after the Fed cut rates. Gold doesn't always go up. But when other things go down, gold often holds strong or rises. That's why smart investors keep 5 to 10% of their money in gold, just in case. Gold's capital appreciation potential. Capital appreciation just means, can my gold become more valuable over time? Yes, and 2025 proves it. In January 2025, gold was $2,600 per ounce. In September 2025, gold was $3,600 per ounce, a 40% gain. Why? Central banks buying more. China, India, Turkey, Russia. Investors moving money into gold ETFs. Global debt at $324 trillion. More debt is equal to less trust in paper money. US dollar getting weaker. Gold priced in US dollar becomes more expensive and attractive. The speaker said gold is now in a new price zone above $3,000 and may stay here or go higher. Could it hit $4,000 by the end of 2025? Some experts think yes. Gold isn't a get-rich-quick tool, but over time, it grows, protects, and preserves. What BIBD speakers also said. Speaker number 2 talked about market in motion, positioning for uncertainty. A quick summary: the world economy is okay but not strong. US, soft landing, low chance of recession. Trump 2.0, short-term clear, long-term unknown. US dollar may get weaker, which is good for gold. China, growing fast in tech, changing global money flow. Sukuk or Islamic bonds, still strong demand. Best strategy, diversify. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Gold is one of those eggs, a safe, steady, shiny one. What if I told you that $3,600 might just be the beginning? With central banks still buying, the Fed cutting rates, and world problems growing, some experts are quietly saying $4,000 by December. Could it happen? Drop your guess in the comments. To sum up, gold is rare. All of it fits in 3 pools. Gold is unique. You can invest in it and wear it. Gold protects you when times are tough. Gold can grow up to 40% in 2025 alone. You don't need to be rich or a banker to understand gold. You just need to know. It's been trusted for 5,000 years, and 2025 shows it's still winning. If you learned something new, like this video. Help others find it. Subscribe. I share simple breakdowns like this. No bank sponsors. Comment, I own gold, or I'm thinking about it. Let's chat. Share. Send to a friend or family member who keeps money in the bank or worries about inflation. Disclaimer: this video is for education only. I am not a financial advisor. I attended the BIBD event as a guest, not as a promoter. Gold prices can go down as well as up. Past performance like 40% increase in 2025 does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research. Talk to a licensed advisor before buying gold or making any investment. You are responsible for your own money decisions. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.